you quite enjoying nibbling on Mummy's fingers? I'm not a lollipop, you know. No, I am not a lollipop. Get off my finger. Get off my finger. You cheeky boy. Who's a cheeky boy? I've got you. Got you. I've got you. So, for those of you who don't know cakes, the biggest plaything that they love is the human hand and the human fingers. Yes. And providing they're gentle with you, that's fine. It's when they're in the too rough mood, it can be too much and you have to stop it. But right now, he's in a gentle play mood. And I can sense that. So he's fine. Over. Woo! Good boy. Good boy. So when his bite gets a little hard, that's what I do. I tip him over and he likes it, but it slightly startles him and makes it stop. Just look at that tongue. What's that tongue doing? Having a good lick at my finger. My hands are clean. He likes the salt, I think, in the skin. What are you doing? What are you doing? And he's just nibbling. He's not hurting me in any way. He's nibbling and licking. What are you doing, baby? What are you doing? Boopity 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 boo. Boopity 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 boo. Boopity boo. Boopity boo. Boopity 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 boo. Good boy. Who's a good boy? Okay, up now. Good boy. I don't let them go up my arm anymore towards my shoulder or face. It's dangerous. Do you think my finger is some kind of lollipop? Do you? Do you think my finger is some kind of lollipop, you cheeky boy? Yeah. A cake can be quite dangerous and also wonderful.